Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm playing around with SPINALL, Omah and Tyla's One Call. If you love that song, then you are just one click away from subscribing to this channel and get great songs like this one and other songs. So please feel free, support me here, subscribe to this channel, and let's move on with One Call. And what we have here is a capo set on the first fret. That's the setup. And then we have two chords, very similar chords, and that's it. So we're gonna look at the chords and a little melody that is built in there. So put that capo on and let's take a look at C first. Okay, so that's the chord. You play that third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. That's the first chord, C. Next chord is the D, and that's the final chord. You're gonna take the exact same grip and move it 2 frets towards you. You're closing it like this, and you land at this position. That will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. All right. So you have 2 chords, C and D. You're going to go back and forth with this. Okay, so you can handle this in different ways. We're going to first look at the basic here, and that will be the strumming pattern. All right, so if you go back to C, we have one strumming round that goes down, up clap, down, down clap, like this. Okay, so that is one round. So you're going to start with first down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, then you make a short pause and you just finish off with down, clap. So down, clap. So if you put these two parts together, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap for one round. Like this. Okay, so a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. Okay, and you're gonna play one string around per chord, going back and forth, C, D, like this. So there you have it, and that is the basics of the song. You can stay with that and you're perfectly fine. You cover the song, One Call, but you can also add some extra to it. So we have notes built into the strumming. So for C, you have that note, that's the second fret D string. So you can play that together with the bass note for C, and that will be the third A. So third A and second D together. And then you have a pause, and then the open B string, that's for C. And then you go over to the next chord now, the D, and you have notes here as well. The bass note now will be the 5th fret A string, but the note you also want is the 3rd fret D string. Then a pause, and then comes this notes here on the D string, that will be 5th D. You're gonna add that with a little pinky and then keep the mid finger there from the actual chord in behind there. So 5th D and then go back to 4th D with the standard grip there, the mid finger. So that will be the melody. Okay, so from beginning. Okay, so there you have the notes. Now you can build in them into the strumming. So that means you do this first down, up, clap, down for C. So try to get that 2nd fret D string on the down. So that means just a short down because you want to kick the D string as the last string. So just a kick on the A and D string. That way you highlight the second fret D string. So down, up clap, down. And then you hit the open B string. So you skip that part, the down clap. You just hit the open B string. And then you go to C, or sorry, the D chord, and play the same way, the same pattern there, the short down, because you want to highlight the 4th fret D string. And continue with up clap down. And then you skip the last part, the down clap. Instead you play the notes there. So the notes for C, or the note is the B string, the open B string. That replaces the down clap in the end of the strumming. And for the D chord, the 5th D and 4th D replaces the down clap for the D chord. So it will be like this. That note on the C chord with the open B string, you can add actually the clap afterwards. So you just replace that down with the notes, and then you go to D. And the 2 notes replaces the down clap actually. So for C, you had the open B string. You have time to do the clap, but for the D chord, you can actually go with the notes that fully replaces the down clap. So it goes like this. There you have it, the melody built in, or just plain strumming, down, up, clap, down, clap. It's up to you. That's how you handle one call. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.